and tired of being sick and tired.
Wait, lagging.
You always lag. Get over here so that way someone can grab this.
Alright, I'm not lagging.
Don't. Help, you idiot. Oh, fine.
I need help.
You
Oh,
good?
I need help.
Grabbing a shot.
Shot. Alright, let's go.
Goddamn town's flooded.
Lead the way.
Fable to
Deadpool.
Thank God we don't have to run into more.
No, but we're gonna have to pound into this.
Reloading! Reloading! Look out!
Let's go.
Hey, watch out!
I'm reloading.
I don't want to get villain. Q.
Oh, I'm jumping building to building. I'm Spider-Man.
Oh, excuse me, you're Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Hate you. Hate you so much.
Jump shot.
On here. No. Oh, laser fight. There we go. Down here. Oh my god. So, yeah.
Hey, that's not cool. Seriously. Laser sights here.
Alright, now this AK is gonna be 10 times better. Jump.
One shot.
Jump and shoot, man.
Where do we go?
Amazing accuracy, man.
Huh. If you jump on top of them, they also.
Jumper stop.
And Mario up in this bitch. Oh shit, I just saw the Hunter. Ah! Hunter! Help me!
I don't.
Where the hell are you?
Here. Oh my god, that thing almost splattered all over me. Yo. Out of all things, you remember the porch light, really, Coach?
Remember what?
Coach said something about remembering the porch light, and then out of all things, you remember that. Oh my god! Oh wow. I looked another katana. Go.
I think I hear it.
No, I'll come this way. If he does, I'm prepared. I'm in the treehouse.
Treehouse of Doom.
My treehouse. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in here where it's nice and dry.
I'm over here.
Well, how the hell did you get all the way over there?
Is that right?
I ran too far away. Jump out here.
Jockey.
No, I just said that. Don't close the door on me. Get in here. Phew. No, oh no. Let's go. You know what? Or Shell. Yes, there you go, Tron. My favorite Mega Man character. Next to the Servobots. Whoa. I'm lost.
Weird, stupid.
Goo incoming!
Oh, I saw that.
Right box!
Oh my god.
Help me!
Get it up!
I'm coming!
Get it up! Dayfib unit. Here.
I already have a T-shirt, so
Hold up, gonna
I'm
heal.
letting that one.
Better.
And up and so far away.
Shut up, Shane. Seem like a shitty ass woman.
Dun. You would know a lot about Sneak Woman, wouldn't you, Rick?
Yeah, Homer's right there. Ha! I killed it.
How the hell did you kill it?
Shot it.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god!
Jockey!
Oh my face!
Storm!
Double tap.
Playground, we're almost there!
Get. Oh my god! I'm sustaining heavy damages. Reloading. Jump. Oh wow, that was pretty cool. Playground. I'm gonna go down the slide again.
Oh, witch.
Come on.
Right at
Safe
the
house, down the street!
Where is she?
Right at the same time.
I'm not killing her. Avoid her. Yeah, you guys first. I'll make sure these two don't startle her. Where the hell did they go?
Right here.
What the hell?
I'll shoot
Get
her.
inside!
Moving as fast
I'll
as
shoot
I
her right
can.
when she gets in. Right when we all get in.